Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You guys, I really need to stop letting my hair get into this condition before wash day. It's so bad. But this time I'm going to be using all Palmer's olive oil products to help it get back into condition. And thank you to Palmer's for sponsoring this video. So first I used the olive oil smoothing shampoo. I then hopped out the shower. I do usually do this part in the shower, but for the purpose of filming I stepped out so I could hop on camera. So then once shampooing, I split it into 4 sections, ready to condition. To condition, I mix the deep conditioner pack and the replenishing conditioner. Reason for this is that one of the deep conditioning packs is not enough for my whole head. So the first time I did it, I mixed it with the conditioner and it worked wonders. So that's what I've been doing since. So I first start out with the deep conditioner. I apply that and then start the detangling process. So I just finger detangle with the deep conditioner. Then for extra slip and to make sure that all of my hair is covered with conditioner, I add the replenishing conditioner. Again, finger detangling, making sure it's all over the section. Then to more thoroughly detangle, I use a wide tooth comb and just go through that section and make sure I get out all the knots. And like I said, I do usually do this in the shower, so my hair usually is dripping wet at this point. But yeah, for the purpose of filming this time, I just stepped out. But this conditioner has loads of slip, perfect amount of slip, so easy to detangle even when your hair is really knotty. So already you can see my curls are back into condition. What I'm going to do is just clip up each section once I've applied the conditioner, and I think I left this on for about an hour. So I'm back with my hair rinsed, the conditioner is all out. The first layer of moisture I'm going to do is the leave-in conditioner, which is a spray-on leave-in, which is super handy. So I spray that on, rub it in. Then the next layer of moisture is going to be the moisturizing hair milk. So I apply that as well, raking it through, making sure that all of the section is covered. And then once each section is moisturized, I braid it up to kind of keep it detangled, keep it stretched, ready for styling. Okay, so on to styling. So I take down one of the front quarters of my hair and I need to part that into 3 sections. So firstly, I part away the section which is going to be the braid, and then this section I split into 2, and that is going to be 2 flat twists, and again clip one of the sections away. Around the perimeter of the section, like around the roots, I apply the olive oil edge control and then brush that in, and then I just continue to flat twist all of that section and then twist it to the end. Same again with the next section. I add the edge control, smooth that down, and then flat twist all the way to the end. And to make sure the twist don't unravel, I just clip them together with a butterfly clip. So for the next section of hair, instead of twisting, this is going to be a cane row or cornrow, however you say it where you're from. So again, detangle the section, add the edge control all around the edge and all down the part, and then I just continue to braid all the way back until I reach one of the twists. So once the braid is in line with the first twist, I just add it into the braid. So I pick it up like you would pick up any other normal bit of hair when you're doing a cane row, and then continue to braid it into the section. And then again, carry on braiding, and once I get down to the next twist, I add that into the braid as well. And here you can see me just unraveling the twist in the braid, because I don't want you to see the twist in the braid. So I want it to just look like normal hair. So I untwisted it and then carried on braiding. And then braid all the way down to the end. And of course do the same on the other side. My parting down the back was a bit wonky, but that's okay. And then once you've done both sides, I just tie it down with a satin scarf. I do get questions about where I got this scarf from, and I can't remember, I'm so sorry. But I tie that down. I left that on once I did my makeup, had some food, just to kind of set the style, make it last a bit longer. And then this is the style done. So these products, they had my hair looking so shiny, as you can see. My hair's really moisturized. It made it so easy to braid and made my hair really easy to work with. So two options for this style. I either do it without the gold cuffs or with the gold cuffs. I did leave the gold cuffs on because I thought they looked super cute. But yeah, I hope you like it. Let me know what you think. Like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.